Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use less yarn when crocheting. To start, always choose the correct hook size for your yarn weight. This is crucial for achieving the right fabric and preventing yarn waste. Maintaining consistent tension is also key. Uneven tension can lead to a project that's either too loose or too tight, requiring more yarn or redoing sections. Understanding yarn weights, like a worsted weight number 4 yarn, and their recommended hook sizes, typically a 5mm hook, will set you up for success and help you conserve your precious skeins. Next, let's talk about smart stitching techniques. Opt for stitches that naturally use less yarn, such as single crochet or half double crochet. These stitches create a denser fabric with fewer wraps of yarn compared to, say, a double crochet. Try to avoid overly dense or highly textured stitches unless they are essential for your design, as they can consume significantly more yarn. For a slightly looser fabric that still conserves yarn, consider working in the back loop only, which can reduce yarn usage by up to 10%. Project planning is your best friend for yarn conservation. Always create a gauge swatch before starting any project. This small sample, typically a 4" by 4" square, allows you to accurately estimate your yarn needs. Measure your swatch carefully to ensure it matches the pattern's specifications. If your gauge is off, adjust your hook size accordingly. For instance, if your swatch is too large, go down a hook size by 0.5 mm. This simple step can save you from running out of yarn or having too much leftover. Finally, let's focus on finishing and waste reduction. When weaving in ends, do so carefully to avoid cutting off excess yarn unnecessarily. Plan your color changes strategically to minimize those small, unusable scraps that often accumulate. Instead of discarding them, utilize these yarn scraps for smaller projects like granny squares, appliques, or even amigurumi details. Every little bit counts, and by being mindful of these practices, you can significantly reduce your overall yarn consumption and make the most of every single strand.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.